Hello everyone, this is Monhaku7. We be playing Five Nights at Tubbyland. Well, it's a demo. Okay. Oh, okay, let's go. Tubbyland Entertainment. Abandoned restaurant preparing to open once again, looking for night guard to watch the robotics. 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. Monitor cameras, ensure safety of the floor and animatronics. Tubbyland Entertainment is not responsible for injury or death. Great! Let's apply it! There's no like...
Hello?
Hello?
Well, if you're hearing this, then you're probably the guard for until we're able to open up in a few weeks, or until... Anyways, never mind that. I'm supposed to give you some tips on what you will have to be doing, according to the previous guard. First off, we rigged a couple of devices into your security tablet, which will assist if the animatronics became active. We turned the systems back on when we purchased the place to prevent any further deterioration. Then again, they weren't in good condition in the first place from the explosion that ran into place in the ground. Yeah, it's strange that something as simple as a custard machine malfunction could cause so much damage. Anyways, in case you haven't found out by now, there's a wind-up music box over in the repair room camera feed. It's mainly for the animatronic over there against the wall, and from what I've heard, it can't see due to the accident, but it can still hear, fortunately. We aren't sure why it is calmed by music, but we try not to question. Anyways, there's also a Tinky-Winky animatronic in the same room that has a broken right ear that causes certain sounds to be received with much higher volume than usual, which we found out must be pretty bad due to it causing a complete system reboot. Unfortunately for you, the sounds emitted by a camera are just the right frequency to cause that, so simply watching him on the camera should cause a reboot. Though, unlike the animatronics Dipsy and Lala, both him and Poe come from the right side of your office, which currently lacks a door. Like I said though, Dipsy and Lala come from the left side, as we found, which can be closed with the push of a button. Simple.
Where is it?
Though, careful not to use up your power supply doing so. Also, it's pretty dark there, so you will likely have to use the left door cam every once in a while, just to make sure nothing or no one is there, you know, basics.
Lala move.
Well, I think that's all for tonight. You should be perfectly fine. I honestly think nothing bad will happen to you, and I wish you a good night.
Okay. Green Sleeve! My favorite song. Where's Lala? Lala, where are you? I forgot your name. I forget. How do you know if they're here? Damn, this is gonna be a long night. Hello. Having some barrels for dinner. Nice. Seriously. Out of order. Where are you? Where's the yellow? Man. Where's Lala? And I don't know what is the purple name. You actually had to click the camera and click it again to get out. went glitched through and then we used the door. Okay. Oh, somebody's inside there. There's aliens. Oh god. What are they? Come on, there have been 3 nights already. They're at the vents or something. It's at the microwave. Sound gotta disappear. There you are. Okay, where's the purple one? Oh damn. I don't think I can make it. It takes so long just to go night 4. I can't really find the purple. Where is the purple dude? Where's the purple telly? The purple teletubby. Where are you? Still there. Green sleeve. Green sleeve that what's that? What are you, purple dude? What's your name? Okay, just 5 AM and 22% of my door power. At least it doesn't take up my cameras. Seriously, how can you know if they're at the door? That noise is kind of annoying. glitch. Somewhat. So like drums are banging. Like being band. High school band. I was a trumpet player, by the way. Go trumpets! Brass family unites. Oh. You moved. Oh hell no. I beat the game. Finally, let's go. I'm out. Oh damn it. Okay guys, see you in the next one. Goodbye.
Hey, hello there.
Make some funny.